Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called EDHST. This EDHST is a new ransomware targeting many Windows computers today. In this video, you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that and how exactly it damages the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this EDHST ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. Typically, the intrusion of this ransomware happens after people visit some malicious sites that may potentially infect the system. So very soon the ransomware does its malicious job. It actually encrypts files and then it also appends a special extension to the file names. You can, by the way, trace this ransomware by a special malicious process that you can find in the task manager. This ransomware is called like that because it actually appends this EDHST extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, which basically indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com. You may get there through any of your available browsers, by the way. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on the start scan button and then the software will be it first of all will update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You can upgrade to Premium in order to request trial and to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data, even though it does not decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.